So I thank you very much
आसन की
for
बात सुने।
giving an opportunity to speak on President's address, sir. Respected sir, the COVID-19 pandemic demonstrated the resilience of India to the world. We Indians are fortunate to have a leader like our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, who steered the country through this pandemic by saving both the life and the livelihoods, sir. Today, India is undertaking the world's largest vaccine drive with an ambition to vaccinate 30 crore people in the next few months. India has gifted vaccines to our neighboring countries. India is also playing a significant role in making the world COVID-free by supplying vaccines to nearly 200 countries, sir. With Atmanirbhar Bharat, our PM Modi ji has given the country a new direction and vision for India to emerge as stronger in the post-COVID world. Respected sir, India has to attain self-reliance in defense production. Attaining self-reliance in defense production will not just make India safer but also prosperous, sir. I would like to thank the Cabinet Committee on Security chaired by PM Narendra Modi ji for approving a defense procurement deal worth 48,000 crore for LCA Tejas aircraft. According to the decision, 83 planes will be purchased from HAL under a biggest ever indigenous defense deal. The biggest ever deal will be a game changer for self-reliance in the Indian defense manufacturing. The LCA Tejas is going to be the backbone for Indian AAF fighter fleet in the years to come. This LCA Tejas incorporates large number of new technologies, many of which were never attempted in India. At present, the indigenous content of LCA Tejas is 50% variant, and it will be enhanced to 60%. HAL has already set up a second line manufacturing facilities at its Nasik and Bangalore division, manufacturing light combat aircraft. Out of total 83 aircraft, 73 will be fighters and rest 10 are trainers. HAL is to be delivered them by 2026, sir. Sir, Speaker, sir, HAL is a pride of India and Karnataka, which is coming in my constituency also, so Bangalore Central's HAL factory. The history and growth of HAL Limited is synonymous with the growth of aeronautical industry for more than 80 years, sir. After independence in January 1951, HAL was placed under administrative control of Ministry of Defense, Government of India. Since then, the HAL actively engaged in contributing immensely to the aerospace sector of the country. In the House of Development of Light Combat Aircraft, LCA, which gave major boost to the modernization program of our defense services for the production of LCA. A separate LCA Tejas division was established at Bangalore in March 2014. A company has a comprehensive design and development capability in field of aerospace. Out of 31 types of aircraft produced so far, 17 have been indigenous design. The company has a long experience in design and manufacturing of a diversified range of aircraft and its systems. Sir, it is unfortunate that the Congress has used such a great institution for its political blame game in run-up to the Lok Sabha election in 2019. There were attempts by some opposition leaders to misuse HAL as a political weapon in the Rafale deal. When the Congress president tried to have a meeting with the HAL employees union to talk about the alleged Rafale scam, they replied with a clear no. And he was also denied to meet the HAL employees. Despite a refusal from HAL, refusal from HAL, Congress President went on to hold a meeting at a place near HAL complex in Bangalore on October 13, 2018. In response to this uninvited and unwanted visit by Sri Rahul Gandhi, a statement was issued by HAL on October 13, 2018, in which it deeply regretted and politicization of its employees. It further said an attempt at the politicization of its employees is a fad and regrettable development, and it will be detrimental to interest of the organization and its employees as well as the national security. With its growing turnover, HAL is doing exceedingly well as an institution under NDA government and probably will continue to excel. HAL has a record turnover of 21,000 crore for this financial year, and March, and the previous figure is 19,000 crores. During the HAL has produced 13 ALH against a contract of 14, out of which were produced head of schedule for the AMRI. Sir, in 2013, then Defense Minister has, under UPA government, has criticized HAL as India's biggest aerospace company for its inability to deliver quality products in time, and said it must show results. Being a votary and a privatization of defense manufacturing in India, then Defense Minister, the HAL is unhappy and angry about by giving the project to the private sector. But it also has a good HAL that it should have rivals in the competition. That's what he said, sir.
Yes,
in
please.
2005, when Indian Air Force pilot got severely injured for lifetime during ejection from the manufacturing MIG, the UPA government led by Congress party in an affidavit to the Delhi government, High Court, put an entire blame on HAL. The affidavit is then said the accidental was caused due to the manufacturing defect, a part of HAL, sir. This is how they blamed HAL, sir. And I thank you very much for giving an opportunity to speak. Sir.